Check out our all-new SlatX tilt trailer with a 7-degree loading angle and up to 17,000 pounds of carrying capacity. This loading angle is good enough to haul industrial equipment such as forklifts, farm equipment, and construction equipment, as well as vehicles. This trailer runs off an electric start, gas-powered hydraulic unit that powers the sliding axle track underneath the trailer that slides back and forth 9 feet to give you this ultimate loading angle. To use this trailer, all you have to do is start the gas-powered motor with the electric ignition switch, throttle up the motor, and then push the lever forward to slide the axles forward and tilt the bed. Once you're done loading your equipment, you just pull the lever back, which slides the axles back into driving position and also drops the bed back down. Before using the trailer, make sure that it's fully attached and secured to the tow vehicle and that the tow vehicle's park brakes are set. When loading equipment, always make sure that the axles are slid fully to the forward position, and when transporting the trailer, make sure that the axles are all the way in the back position. That pretty much covers what makes up the base of the SlatX tilt trailer, but this one specifically has been upgraded with a few additional features not standard on the base model SlatX. One of the features that I think make the SlatX trailer complete are these hydraulic jacks that allow you to raise and lower the front of the trailer with a simple push of a lever. And to fully utilize this trailer, this one has been equipped with the Warren Xeon 12K winch to make it easy to load your vehicles and equipment. Not that you necessarily need it with a 7-degree loading angle, but added traction never hurts. That's why we equipped this one specifically with Blackwood lumber to add traction and longevity to the deck of your trailer. To get the most capacity out of this trailer, we've upgraded it to 12,000-pound axles with electric over hydraulic disc brakes that have much better stopping power and are much easier to service and maintain than electric drum brakes. It has also been upgraded to black dual wheels, just for looks, as well as 14-ply tires that last longer and are stronger than the standard 10-ply tires. As with all of our other trailers, the SlatX comes standard with a MAXX Premium powder coat that comes with a sandblast, alkaline wash, preheat, a standard primer, and a premium top coat of powder. This trailer also comes standard with a 3-year limited warranty that covers 3 years on the structure of the trailer and a 1-year comprehensive that covers most parts of the trailer that are not wear and tear items. And for more information on this trailer, as well as where and how to purchase your SlatX tilt trailer, please go to our website at www.maxxtrailers.com.